Okay, we're going to be doing just like a drive-by video tour of Venetian Bay. Not the whole area, just basically Paytas homes. I'm going to take you into Promenade. It's going to be a little bouncy, maybe a little bit noisy, but it's kind of to give you an idea on how to get out here. The way that I came in was from Pioneer Trail, the back way. There is a way to get here from 44, and I'll show that to you later. But anyway, we're going to go out and look at some Paytas homes. I'm going to take you around the subdivision there, and you can take a look at how it's set up. It's a pretty neat subdivision. It has parks in it, which are very nice. And it's just a nice community to live in, higher end community. They do build custom homes. They're one of the few custom home builders that will actually build a pool at the same time they're building your home. That's pretty unusual, actually. And we're pulling up to one of the parks that are in the subdivision right now. And you can see it right there. I'm going to be turning left, and we'll go directly into the subdivision. And also, Venetian Bay is known for, they've got an awesome golf community here. And then here's what the sign looks like when you're pulling up. Promenade. I want to show you the kind of homes that are in here. Like I said, they do custom homes, so you can, there's a lot of different types or looks in here. They're all typically like an Italian or Tuscany style look, but they come with different colors and stonework and style. I like how they put the garages on the side. It's just a different way. I mean, a lot of people do it, but they just do it a little extra better. They're still building out here. They're building a new end of this. We're not going to go down this road because it will just turn us around back there. There's one of the new homes that they're building. I have another video of the actual two models. One model's completed, the other one is in construction. Check those out. But I just want to give you a quick drive through here just so you can see what the homes look like. You know, it's easy to kind of try to guess, but you don't really know until you drive through it. Just showing you some of the ones over here too. Usually I do these on foot, but the subdivision's a little big, so it would have taken me some time to walk through here, and I don't really have a whole lot of time because people don't watch videos for very long. Right here, this is going to be one of their parks when the subdivision's completed. They got some cool homes here on the back side. I'll show you one of my favorite ones. Right there's one of the ones that I like a lot. And I like that a lot of these people do not scrimp on their landscaping. I'm a big time landscaping guy. I love landscaping, and I think that it makes your house. So when people spend the money and actually do that, it shows a lot for the community. This is like a little center, like a little county or a subdivision town square type thing. I want to shoot you over here. This is the new side of the Paytas homes. You can see they're starting to put in the landscaping already for one of the other parks with the little trees there. They'll have it all done up. There's lots of places for people to walk your dogs, sit down, hang out. This area is very active. It's an active community. They have parties here. They have Christmas lights, all the fun stuff. I want to shoot down this way. So basically we went down the main road and we went around the town square, and now we're going back towards probably the older part of this division. So you can see that the landscaping is a little more mature. Still great homes that were built back here. Like I said, this is one of the older sections. Over on the right is just basically land. They'll be opening up that and building homes over there also. Behind these homes is a nice sized lake. Now down here towards the end, you'll see that they're building more homes. It's a very active area. You're in New Smyrna here, but you're basically not in city. You know, you're not where there's a lot of hustle and bustle. New Smyrna is a pretty big area to live in, and you can actually get to Port Orange or downtown New Smyrna pretty quickly. Port Orange has a lot of shopping and a lot of dining and great schools and different things like that. Great area, straight to the beach. New Smyrna, same thing. You have Flagler Avenue, which is very popular. Basically a street that dead ends into the ocean. A lot of shopping, a lot of dining, nightlife, all the fun stuff. But you kind of, when you move out in this area, you kind of remove yourself from that stuff. And you make the decision of when you're going to actually go down there. You know, it doesn't show up in your backyard. So, you know, when there's bike week and speed week and all that stuff, if you want to go participate in it, it's great. If you don't want it in your backyard, you move to an area like this so that you don't have to deal with it. And then when you're ready to go out on your Harley or go to the racetrack or whatever, then you can go out there and on your own time. So that's one of the draws to this area. And then golf, big time golf community, Venetian Bay. Great golf course. They have a great club room, and just kind of wanted to show you a little bit that's going on out here. There's a lot more to this subdivision, but I just want to give you kind of like the 50-cent tour, I guess we'd call it. And they've got a lot of building out here. Check my other pages, my Pinterest for PATUS, videos, Facebook, Florida Real Estate Guide, and I've got information, all the information you could ever want on this subdivision and others. Also, just to let you know, as you can see right there, golf cart, here comes another golf cart. They're golf cart friendly out here, and the people are very friendly out here. So I'll bring you through another New Smyrna subdivision here soon. It will probably be in Venetian Bay. It will probably be the Jerry Johnson group.